In the last 3 years, the American dream has started to feel like a financial treadmill. You're running faster, working harder, but the ground beneath you isn't moving. Inflation has eaten your raises, and the cost of living has become the cost of barely surviving. But here's the shocker. While 60% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, a quiet group of people earning the exact same salary as you is tucking away an extra $10,000 every single year. They aren't winning the lottery, they aren't living on ramen noodles, and they definitely didn't get a massive promotion. Welcome back to Kiyosaki Finance Lab. Today, we are breaking down the invisible wealth system. We're going to show you how to find $833 a month, that's your $10,000 a year, hidden inside your current paycheck. We're moving past the "don't buy Starbucks" cliche and diving into the structural shifts in housing, transportation, and phantom expenses that are bleeding you dry. To save $10,000 a year, you need to find $833 a month. To many, that sounds impossible, but when you break it down into the big three expenses, housing, transportation, and food, it's actually just a series of small, calculated adjustments. The wealth equation. In the world of Robert Kiyosaki, we talk about assets versus liabilities. Most people think their lifestyle is a necessity. It's not. It's often a liability disguised as a comfort. Housing is the largest expense for every American household, usually taking up 30 to 50% of take-home pay. If you want to find $10,000, you start here. The refinance downsize trap. Most people think they need more space. They don't. They need better organization. The roommate strategy for adults. In 2026, house hacking isn't just for college kids. Renting out a basement or a spare room on midterm rental sites for traveling nurses can bring in $600 to $1,000 a month. That's your entire $10,000 goal in one move. Property tax appeals. Did you know 60% of homes in the U.S. are overassessed? Spending 2 hours filing a property tax appeal can save the average homeowner $500 to $1,000 a year. The average new car payment in America has crossed $700. Add insurance and gas, and you're looking at $1,000 a month just to move your body from point A to point B. The car debt swap. If you're driving a car with a $600 payment, you are trading your freedom for a depreciating hunk of metal. Switching to a reliable 5-year-old used vehicle can drop your payment by $300 immediately. Insurance optimization. We stay with insurance companies out of laziness. By using an independent broker to shop your rate every 12 months, the average American saves $400 a year. This is where the silent money disappears. The subscription audit. Use tools to track every recurring payment. The average American spends over $200 a month on subscriptions they don't fully use. The 72-hour rule. Before any non-essential purchase over $50, you must wait 72 hours. This eliminates dopamine-driven impulse buying, which accounts for nearly $3,000 of annual waste in the average household. At Kiyosaki Finance Lab, we don't just save money to put it under a mattress. Saving is useless if inflation eats it. Once you find that $833 a month, you must move it from the savings column to the asset column. The power of compound interest. If you save $10,000 a year and invest it at an 8% return, in 10 years you have $156,000. In 20 years you have $494,000. In 30 years you have $1.2 million. You didn't need a raise, you needed a system. Saving $10,000 a year isn't about deprivation, it's about valuation. It's about valuing your future freedom more than a temporary convenience today. The $10,000 is already in your bank account, it's just being redirected to companies that don't care about your retirement. It's time to take it back. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button for Kiyosaki Finance Lab. We're here to help you escape the rat race by mastering the math the school system never taught you. Action step. Look at your bank statement from last month. Find 3 phantom expenses and cancel them right now. Tell me in the comments what's the one expense you're cutting today.